Assalamu alaikum. This is Nation Series Math for Nursery, suitable for 4 to 5 years old children. Today we are going to learn from page number 41. On this page, children, we are going to introduce the concept of in and out. Look at this, children. In this picture, flowers are in the vase. Listen carefully, children. In this picture, you can see flowers are in the vase. And in this picture, children, flowers are out of vase. Look at this picture carefully, children. In this picture, as you can see, these are the flowers and flowers are out of vase. And in this picture, children, as you can see, these flowers are in the vase. So in this picture, we can say flowers in the vase. And in this picture, we can say flowers out of vase. Look at this, children. This picture is flowers in the vase and this picture is flowers out of vase. Children, now you have to color these pictures. Remember, children, you have to color these pictures up to down. You will not color these pictures left to right, and you have to color inside the pictures. This picture is flowers in the vase and this picture is flowers out of vase. Look at this, children, again. These are three flowers and these flowers are in the vase, and we have three flowers and these three flowers are out of vase. So flowers in the vase and flowers out of vase. This was our page number 41 and this is page number 42, children. Look at this, children. This is a circle shape. Look at this carefully, children. This is a circle shape. As you can see, its color is pink and this is a circle shape, children. This one is a bigger circle shape and this is another smaller circle shape, children, on the same page, and the color of this smaller circle shape is green. So we have two circle shapes on this page, children. This circle shape is in pink color and this circle shape is in green color. These are two circle shapes, children. This one is big and this is a smaller circle shape. So these are two circle shapes. Look at this, children. There are some other circle shapes on the same page. Children, you have to trace and color these circle shapes. Children, this is the starting point of this circle shape. You have to put your pencil at the start of this arrow because this is the starting point, and then you have to trace the arrows like this. This is a circle shape, children, and you have to trace this circle shape. You have to put your pencil on the starting point and then you have to follow the arrows. After tracing this circle shape, children, now you have to color this circle shape. This is another circle shape, children, and this is the starting point of this circle shape. You have to put your pencil at the start of this arrow because this is the starting point, and then you have to follow the arrows like this. You have to trace this circle shape, children. After tracing this circle shape, children, now you have to color this circle shape. And this is another circle shape on the same page and this is the starting point, children. You have to put your pencil on this starting point and you have to trace this circle shape like this. After tracing all these circle shapes, children, now you have to color these circle shapes. Remember, children, you have to color these circle shapes up to down. You will not color them left to right, and you have to color inside the circle shapes. This was our page number 42.